What you doing? What game are you playing?
I'm playing. This way. Go that way, go that way, go that way. And then that one.
What game are you playing?
The game is called Dinosaurs.
Is it Dinosaur Simulator?
Yeah, this is Dinosaur Simulator. I think this is another game.
Is it as good as Goat Simulator?
Now we have to. We got it. Alright.
What do you like better, Goat Simulator or Dinosaur Simulator?
Dinosaur Simulator.
Oh.
Oh. My time was running out. Oh shoot. Sorry. Oh yes. What happened? It's raining. My. The sound is raining.
It's raining in the game?
No.
It's raining outside?
Yeah. It's raining in the dinosaurs. Bombs! Woohoo! Woo! Woo bombs.
Dinosaur bombs?
No, dinosaur bombs. There's dinosaur bombs. Woo!
Are you comfortable?
No.
That's me on the other side of those feet. Comfy?
What?
Do you like the new couch?
Yeah. Oh yeah, mommy. You. This way. Yeah. Go away, mommy.
Don't kick me.
That is you, mommy. You would kick. You just ow. Ow. Stop getting me. Money. I'm You're so dicky. Then
Hey.
Woo! Yeah, woo! Go that way.
Hey,
What?
I want a kiss. Mwah!
No.
I'm gonna
Oh.
hit your butt. Give me a kiss.
No.
Mwah.
No.
Mwah.
No.
Mwah.
No.
Beat it. Ow, don't kick me. Give me a kiss.
No.
Mwah.
Oh, my time is running.
Don't kick mommy. Yes, that is me under his feet.
This time is running. Oh, it's so dark.
Hey. Hey.
No, I'm missing you.
I want a kiss.
What's going on?
Mwah.
Oh, no. I'm missing with...
Blow me a kiss. Mwah.
No.
Okay.
No.
Blow me a kiss. Blow me a kiss. Blow me a kiss. Blow me a kiss. Come on.
No.
Where's your tablet now? What are you doing? Can't reach it, can you? Oh.
No.
You want a kiss?
No. Give me that. No.
There you go. Love you. Love you. Love you. Love you. Say, Mama, love you. Hey. Hey. I love you. I love you. I love you. Come on. Tell Mama. Come on. Oh, hi, Kitty Bang Bang and Pepper.
What?
Bang Bang's over there and Pepper's over there.
Are you looking at me?
I love you.
No.